Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic popularly known as probability. It's a topic from class 10. I have chosen from class 10. It will be effective for both CBSE and SEPA courses. Okay, then we are going to discuss a very tough topic for someone. In fact, most of the students say, please sir, start after some days. Actually, it's a probability, is a very tough one. We have listened it. So, no, never, not at all. It's a very easy topic. Please concentrate the video. Okay? Then, if I asked, what is probability? How it has come? What is the meaning of probability? If I go to the book, then what is written? Concept of probability, I have written probabilities like this, PROP dot, as a measure of uncertainty of various phenomena. Before discussing these lines, I want to do one thing for you. What is this? What is this? It's a very popular. During cricket match, we always discuss toss, who win the toss? India wins the toss, or Pakistan, etc. Like this. Actually, the whole probability comes from this such type of event, such type of experiment. There are two things. One is head and another is tail. If someone tossed a coin, then what will be the result? Result to ki hobo? Head hobo na tail hobo? But do that I will speak in both Assamese and English. Ki hobo? This is actually, you may assume that this is probability. Throwing a die. I think you have played this type of game. Huh? Throwing a die. It's a probability. In your class 9, you have discussed empirical probability, I think, where number of trials is repeating. But in class 9, there is a demerit or the definition. What is the demerit? That is, basis on that definition is based on statistical and collection of data. But to me, jodi etu 1000 bar times toss kora, then what will happen? No, it's quite impossible. Therefore, in class 10, that is today's lecture, we are going to discuss probability, that is a statistical approach, that is classical definition of probability. It is popularly known as classical definition of probability based on certain assumptions, that is equally likely. Equally likely. That means what? Again I am tossing a coin. Can anyone say head will come before tail? No. I cannot say. I think you also cannot say. The tail will come before head? No, never, not at all. Both the outcomes, that is head and tail, have equal chance, that is equally likely. On the basis of equally likely, we are going to discuss classical definition of probability. I think you are clear now. Before going to discuss classical definition of probability, I am going to give concept of different types of some definitions I will provide you. For example, experiment, for example, then random experiment, then sample space, sample point, elementary event, which is based on NCERT book. So, one by one I will discuss. Therefore, you can clearly understand what is probability. Okay? So, let's go. First one, I will discuss experiment. What is experiment? So, let's go. first definition, experiment. What is experiment? An operations which can produce some well-defined outcomes is known as experiment. What is outcome? When you are tossing a coin, two things there. There are two things. One is head and the other is tail. Head and tail are the outcomes. This is experiment. An operation which can produce some well-defined outcome is known as experiment. Okay, I think this is a very simple definition. You understand this one. Outcomes. Outcomes means when you are tossing a coin, there are two outcomes, head and tail. Okay. Next definition, random experiment. Random experiment. So what is random experiment? If in its trial of an experiment, the result is not unique, that is called random experiment. For example, let's go and write. Okay, let's go to random experiment. What is random experiment? If in its trial of an experiment conducted under identical conditions, the outcome is not unique, comma, but maybe one of the possible outcomes, then such an experiment is known as random experiment. Very important definitions regarding probability. Random experiment কি বস্তু? তুমি যদি এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট এটা কৰিছা তাতে যদি তোমাৰ আউটকাম ইউনিক নহয়, ইউনিক মানে কি এটা নহয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে তাক ৰেন্ডম এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট, অসমীয়াত যাদৃচ্ছিক পৰিঘটনা বুলি কয়। ৰেন্ডম এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট, যাদৃচ্ছিক পৰীক্ষা বুলি কয়। তে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল কি হ'ব? ইউ টছ এ কইন, তুমি এটা কইন টছ কৰা, তাতে আউটকাম কেইটা আছে? হেড আৰু টেল দুটা আছে। তুমি লুডু গুটি এটা মাৰি দিছা, when you are tossing, when you are throwing a die, then there are 6 outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6, is not it? I think it clear. Where the outcome is not unique, that is random experiment, যাদৃচ্ছিক পৰীক্ষা বুলি কয়। very important, anytime এটো তোমাক লাগি থাকিব। okay, for if random experiment or example কি হ'ব? tossing a coin, fair coin বুলি কয়, it is symmetrical both sides. Then throwing a die. These are examples of random experiments. So we have already discussed experiment and random experiment. Okay, next I am going to discuss sample space, S, and sample point. What is sample space? Again, you imagine you are tossing a coin. So what are the possible outcomes? Head and tail. So this is possible outcomes. Set of all possible outcomes is known as sample space. Sample space is denoted by S. And what is sample point? sample space কি হৈছে? sample space তো হৈছে এটা কইন টস কৰিলে মই যেটো আউটকাম পাইছো হেড আৰু টেলক একেলগে যদি তুমি সেট থিওৰি হয়ত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰা তেতিয়াহলে তাক ক'ব sample space, আৰু যে হেড আৰু টেল হেতু ক'ব sample point. what is sample space? যদি তুমি s ক যদি এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰা, s is equal to what is h, t, that is sample space. here sample h কি বলে কয়? sample point. sample space হল প্ৰতিদৰ্শ স্থান আৰু sample point হল প্ৰতিদৰ্শ বিন্দু বুলি কয় অসমীয়াটো। হল sample space হল এটা এক্সপেৰিমেন্টৰ যিকিটা আউটকাম আছে সেই গোটেই কিটা একেলগে sample point, sample space বুলি কয়, আৰু তাতে থকা এলিমেন্ট এটা কয় হেড আৰু টেল। তুমি যদি লুডু গুটি এটা মাৰিছা 1 2 3 4 5 6 পাবা, তে 1 2 3 4 5 6 এইবোৰ কি বুলি কয়? sample point বুলি কয়। okay, I think clear. okay, let's go to next definition. what is the next definition? event. ইভেন্টস ঘটনা অসমীয়াত কয় what is event so just now I have discussed sample space তো sample space or subset ei events bole koi that is sample space aru event ok hoday it is denoted by e remember event is always a subset of s sample space or subset hoy তাৰ মানে sample space or subset to ke ki bole koy event bole koy event is a subset of the sample space or any subset of sample space is known as event okay this is also clear event I have discussed event what is event then impossible event what is impossible event অসমীয়াত কয় অসম্ভৱ ঘটনা what is suppose a boy tossed a coin somebody asks whether you will get 6 or 5 is it possible no because if you are tossing a coin there are two outcomes head and tail somebody asks you is it possible to have 2 5 etc that is impossible event which is not possible you are tossing a coin then somebody asks you to have a 5 is it possible no this is impossible this is denoted by 5 where the outcome is not possible that is impossible event another definition sure event it is denoted by s what is sure event a boy throwing a die event is like that whenever a boy throwing a die event must be like this that the number you obtain less than 6 তুমি যদি লুডু গুটি এটা মাৰি পঠিয়াইছা আৰু তোমাক ৰিজাল্টটো লাগে 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 তকৈ কম less than 7 তাৰমানে 1 2 ডাইট কি থাকে 1 2 3 4 5 6 ইভেন্টটো হ'ল less than 7 this is sure ইভেন্টটো কেনেকা হ'ব লাগে ইভেন্টটো হ'ব লাগে লুডু গুটি মাত্ৰ মাৰি পঠালে আমি পোৱা ফলাফলবোৰ হাততকৈ সৰু ইভেন্ট ইজ জাস্ট লাইক দ্যাট ইট ইজ লেছ দেন 7 that is the answer it is sure event impossible outcome is not possible that is impossible sure which will definitely happen that is sure event okay I think you clear impossible and sure event impossible nothing there is no any possibilities to have outcomes but sure event there is a possibility 100% sure that you will get the outcomes that is throwing a die less than 7 is the event if the event is like that the number less than 7 that is sure event finished okay let's take elementary event what is elementary event elementary event okay I will write the definition okay this is elementary event what is elementary event an event containing only a single sample point is called an elementary or sample point where the outcome is only one in other language মই যদি কওঁ এটা এক্সপেৰিমেন্টৰ আউটকামটো যদি এটা হয় তেতিয়াহলে তাক এলিমেন্টাৰী ইভেন্ট বুলি কয় or simple event বুলি কয় suppose again imagine a boy is tossing a coin event is that to get ahead what is the event of getting ahead when we toss the coin so e is equal to H. Only one sample point. Is not it? Or there is only one sample point. E is called elementary event. Other than elementary, it is composite event. যদি এটাতকৈ বেছি পোৱা হেতু composite point বুলি কয় or mixed event বুলি কয় composite or that is composite events or mixed events. Okay. অসমীয়াটোৰ টাৰ্মবিলাকৰ অসমীয়াটো তোমালোকে কিতাপৰ টেক্সটবুক খানত চাই ল'বা এলিমেণ্টাৰী হ'ল মৌলিক ঘটনা মই যিমানবোৰ পাৰো কৈ দিছো অকণমান দিগদাৰ অসমীয়াটো ক'বলৈ কিন্তু মই অসমীয়াত মোটামুটি গোটেইখিনি তোমালোকক কৈ দিছো আর কি হবে সবে বুঝতে পারেন ক্লিয়ার আমি যখন একটা কয়েন টস করি একটা ঘটনা হয়েছে ঘটনাটো কি যে আমি একটা হেড পাওয়া লাগে মুন্ড পাওয়া লাগে তো একটাই তো হেড আছে দ্যাট ইজ এলিমেন্টারি ইভেন্ট আই এম ট্রাইং দ্য বেঙ্গলি অলসো সো other than elementary event it is composite or mixed event. Okay, so elementary event I have finished. Then equally likely events. This is a very important. On this term, we are going to discuss classical definition of probability. This is the main assumption. What is the definition? I like to write the definition for you. Okay. This is the definition. Equally likely events. The given events are said to be equally likely if none of them is expected to occur in preference to the other. Again you go and toss a coin. Can anybody say the head will come before tail? Do you think that you can say the tail will come before head, sir? No. Head ki asbe? Na. Tail? No. Tail u asbe na? Head u asbe na? Asbe to thiki. Kintu no one can say that head will come before tail and tail will come before head. These type of events, that is equally likely events. No one can say that this outcome will come before this. This is equally likely events. A definition to upor base koriye ami classical definition of probability define korisu. Je goteibur jibur events lom these events are equally likely events. Monot rakhiba classical definition of probability main base to hoise equally likely events. Jemane jibur ghotona lom সেই ঘটনাবোৰ গোটেইবোৰ আমাৰ equally likely events হ'ব লাগিব. Okay, this is clear, I think. Equally likely events. Okay. Okay. Again, let us take another definition. This is independent events. Two events are said to be independent event if the occurrence of one does not depend upon the occurrence of the other. Two events are said to be independent events if the occurrence of one does not depend upon the occurrence of the other. So, কেনেকৈ বুজি পাবা তুমি independent? এটা যদি আনটোৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি নাথাকে সাপোজ এটা লৰাই দুটা কইন টস কৰিছে প্ৰথম ঘটনাটো হ'ল লৰাটোৱে এবাৰ টস কৰোঁতে হেড পাব লাগে আৰু দ্বিতীয়বাৰ টস কৰোঁতে তেওঁ হেড পাব লাগে এইটো হিটোৰ মাজত ডিপেন্ড কৰিবনে নকৰে the events which are not depending on others, that is independent events. This is very simple. Ebor pisot problem korte amak sage lagibo most probably independent events. Two events are said to be independent if the occurrence of one does not depend upon the occurrence of the other. Then definitely তুমি কইন যদিও টস কৰা হেড আৰু টেইল হেড পৰাটো টেইলৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড নকৰে টেইল পোৱাটো হেডৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড নকৰে that is independent event. I think this is clear. It's a very simple definition, independent event. Okay, let's go to another definition. Okay, the main definition now as follows. What is the main definition? Probability of an event. The classical definition of probability of an event E denoted by P of E and defined by, what is the definition? P of E, number of outcomes favorable to E. E means an event is equal to total number of all possible outcomes of the event. This is the main definition of this chapter. On the basis of this formula, I will solve the problems. This is the probability of an event. Classical definition of probability of an event is denoted by P of E and is defined by, always be careful and remember, P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E, total number of all possible outcomes of the event. So let us take an example. Suppose a boy tossed a coin. Does somebody say, what is the chance of getting a head? Okay, I will solve the problem. A boy is tossed a coin. Total number of experiment is total number of possible outcomes is equal to what? 2. And number of outcomes favorable to D. That means we want head. Head, there is only one head. That is 1. What is the answer probability? 1/2. What is the what I have discussed? A boy is tossed a coin. You have to find the probability of getting a head. Whenever you toss the coin, there are 2 outcomes, that is 2, and there is only one head, that is number of outcomes favorable to E, that is E getting a head. What is 1? Therefore, what is the probability? P of E is equal to 1/2. That is, so P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. This is the main definition of the probability. You may say that this is the father of probability. आप जितना ऊपर चाहेंगे, क्लास 11 जाएंगे, क्लास 12 जाएंगे, या अपने BSc करेंगे, MSc करेंगे, सब में यही फॉर्मूला आएगा आप लोगों के लिए. This is the formula. Anytime a formula to tumak lagi thakebo. P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. This is the main definition. So I have discussed experiment, random experiment, sample space, sample point, impossible event, sure event, elementary event, then independence of the event, then probability of an event. Now I will give some theorem which must be remembered, which is very important regarding solving the problem. What is the theorem? Number 1, result. P of E is always greater or equal than 0. You please remember, probability of an event is always greater or equal than 0. তাৰমানে এটা ঘটনাৰ probability 0 আৰু 0 কৈ ডাঙৰ. Suppose to me you have solved a problem, your answer is equal to -3. That is, you will got a big 0. Understand? Probability answer কেতিয়াও negative নহয়, সদায় positive. Number 2, P of phi is equal to 0. Phi goes to impossible event. Probability of an impossible event is equal to 0. মনত থাকিব, এটা অসম্ভৱ ঘটনাৰ সম্ভাৱিকতা কিমান হয়? 0. Number 3, P of S is equal to 1, where S goes to sure event. If S is a sure event, then what is the probability? 1. That means probability of a sure event is equal to 1. একটা sure event এর probability কত হবে? Answer 1. Okay, clear? Sure event এর probability किमान होगा? 1 होगा. एक sure event का probability कितना होगा? 1 होगा. Number 4, zero less or equal than P of E less or equal than 1. Probability of an event is always lies between 0 and 1. তাৰ মানে এটা ঘটনাৰ probability তুমি 0 আৰু 1 ৰ মাজত থাকে সদায়. তাৰ মানে সদায় পিছত আমি অংক কৰোঁতে চাবা answer to 0 আৰু 1 ৰ মাজত থাকিব. থাকিব? Clear? Very important. 0 less or equal than P of E less or equal than 1. তাৰ মানে 0 আৰু 1 ৰ মাজত probability answer to থাকে. তুমি যিমান এনসাৰ চোৱা সদায় চাবা কিতাপৰ এনসাৰবোৰ 0 আৰু 1 ৰ মাজত থাকিব. তাৰমানে তুমি ধৰিলে এনসাৰ পাইছা 10, that means you are wrong. তোমাৰ ভুল হৈছে অংকটো কৰা. This is the another hint. Number 5, P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. Happening of an event plus non-happening of an event is equal to E. Not E is nothing but complement of E. তাৰমানে happening of an event plus not happening of an event is equal to 1. এটা তোমাক যদি দিয়ে এটা ঘটনা হোৱাৰ চান্স ইমান নোহোৱাটো ওলাব লাগে তেতিয়া 1 ৰ পৰা বিয়োগ কৰি দিলে হ'ল. হোৱাৰ চান্স আছে নোহোৱাটো ওলাব লাগে. happening দি আছে non happening we can derive, non happening দি আছে similarly we can find happening of the event. Very important result. P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1, when not E is recognized as complement of E. Number 6. Okay, then what is the last? The sum of all the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of the experiment is 1. That is, eto E, F, G jodi tinta ami elementary events hoy probabilities kita jodi uliao P of E plus P of F plus P of G is equal to 1. You have to be remember the sum of all the probabilities of the elementary events. Elementary events or jodi ketaman event loa he gotei kitar probabilities jogfol to hodai ki hobo amar answer 1 hobo. Okay, so this chapter belongs to both CBSE and SEBA course, because SEBA course there are NCERT textbooks nowadays follows. So I have written here, so this is SEBA and CBSE. So these are the main result. You have to remember this. You try your exercise book. So আজি মই গোটে theory শেষ কৰিলো. Today I have finished all theoretical parts of probability in my lecture 1. In my lecture 2 I will discuss the problem. Okay, one by one I will solve the problems. Before solving problem, it is my humble request to my student that you please go through the concept of various definition and the definitions of classical definition of probability with this result, because at the time of solving problem I will use this result again and again and again and again. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So take care, bye bye, see you in my next video. Thank you very much.